Marina Residential at the V&A waterfront in Cape Town is a complex of very upmarket apartments, most of which are owned by people who don't live there. Home from Home was set up in 2002 to manage these properties for tourism and short-term hospitality stays. It's a wonderful place to be based in Cape Town, accessible to the V&A itself and all the shops and the boating activities, or to go out and explore the winelands. And these apartment homes are spectacular. Being privately owned and individually furnished and decorated, every single one of them is individually star graded with the Tourism Grading Council. So you are assured of really top class finishes, fittings and absolutely everything that you could need for a really comfortable stay.
Home from Home spesialiseer in persoonlike diens wat na die giere en plesiere van elke individuele gas omsien. Van die oomblik wat jy in Kaapstad land, maak hulle seker jy het alles wat jy mag nodig kry. Jy word van die lughawe af in styl aangery. Nog voor jy eers daar is jou koskaste al volgeprop met heerlikhede. En om alles te kroon, kan jy die eerste dag aansit vir 'n gratis kontinentale ontbyt.
The marina is situated close to the harbour at the foot of the city bowl, and it's accessible to the V&A itself with all its shops and cinemas and boating activities. It's also close to the beautiful beaches just along the Atlantic seaboard, to adventure sports up the west coast, up Table Mountain, and to go exploring the wine districts and all the beautiful scenery in this vibrant city. But the marina is also a very tranquil place to come back to relax and watch the sun go down, open a bottle of wine and just savour the whole atmosphere of this beautiful city.